FZ18L. Axes are moving. It's X. Z. Y. Z moving. Y. Moving slow, it's not home. I have when you get it, you're going to have to home the machine using parameter 18, 15. There's X moving. Moving slow, but all the axes sound very smooth, but it's interlocking me off from running it fast. And German technology, I'm just not real up on it. So, but this does show the machine moving in all of its axes. Back to Z again. There's Y again. That cover's buckling up. That it just needs that side guide straightened out. But that's all the axes moving.